built to withstand high-impact off-road events. Ranger Raptor's unique, super-strong reinforced chassis frame uses high-strength, low-alloy steels to endure the punishment delivered by off-road racing. Raptor's race-bred suspension has been specifically crafted to tackle fearsome terrain at high speed while remaining in complete control and comfort. Fox shock absorbers with position-sensitive damping provide higher damping forces at extremes for unparalleled off-road capability, and lower damping forces in more moderate conditions for a smoother ride on-road. The high-performance dampers with 46.6 mm pistons are supported by aluminium control arms, with protruding shock absorber towers at the front and a bespoke new coil-over rear suspension arrangement featuring an integrated Watts linkage that allows the axle to move up and down with very little lateral movement. Ranger Raptor enables drivers to select from 6 terrain management system modes to tackle a wide range of terrain and driving scenarios, including normal mode, emphasizing comfort, fuel economy and drivability; sport mode, more responsive for spirited on-road driving; grass, gravel, snow mode, designed to inspire safe and confident driving on off-road slippery and uneven surfaces; mud, sand mode, tuning vehicle responses for optimum traction and momentum in deep, deformable surfaces like loose sand and mud; rock mode, specifically for low-speed rocky terrain where smooth controllability is key; Baja mode, tuning responses for high-speed off-road performance, just like drivers need in the famous Baja Desert Rally. All in all, the new Ranger Raptor delivers all the tools a thrill seeker could ask for.